Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your e-commerce site with Shopify. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin securing your Shopify e-commerce site, log into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the settings section at the bottom left corner of the dashboard. Click on Plan and Permissions to review your current plan details. Next, go back to the main settings menu and click on General. Scroll down to find the store address section and confirm your address detail. Now, move to Online Store under the Sales Channels. Select Preferences and locate the Password Protection section. Enable password protection if your site is not ready for public access to keep it secure during development. Return to the Settings menu and click on Users and Permissions. Review the permissions for your staff accounts, ensuring that employees have access only to the necessary data. Next, navigate to the Apps section and uninstall any unnecessary apps to reduce potential security risks. Then, invest in a reliable third-party security app from the Shopify App Store for additional protection. Look for apps that offer features like malware scanning, vulnerability detection, and firewall protection. Afterwards, ensure that your payment gateways are secure and compatible with PCI compliance. To check this, go to Settings and click on Payment Providers. For extra security, enable two-factor authentication for your account. Go to Account Settings and select Two-Step Authentication. Follow the prompts to set it up using your preferred authentication method. After setting up two-factor authentication, keep your login credentials secure and use a strong password. Next, regularly update your site's theme and apps to the latest versions to fix security vulnerabilities. Finally, create regular backups of your store so you can restore data if necessary. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance the security of your Shopify e-commerce site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.